Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing an important topic that can help you take control of your money financial goals, how to set and achieve them. Whether you're looking to save for a big purchase, get out of debt, or plan for a comfortable retirement, setting clear financial goals is the first step toward success. If you're serious about growing your financial wealth, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content that will help you achieve your financial dreams. All right, let's get into it. Why should you set financial goals? Setting goals gives you a clear roadmap for your money. Without them, it's easy to lose track of where your money's going or miss opportunities to build wealth. Financial goals help you stay focused, track your progress, and reduce financial stress by providing a plan for how you'll achieve big milestones. So how do you set these goals? One of the most effective ways is using the SMART method. SMART stands for 1. Specific. Your goal should be clear and detailed. For example, instead of saying, I want to save money, say, I want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house. 2. Measurable. You need a way to track progress. Rather than saying, I want to get out of debt, say, I will pay off $5,000 in credit card debt by the end of the year. 3. Achievable. Make sure your goal is realistic. If your income is $3,000 a month, it's not feasible to save $2,500 monthly for retirement. 4. Relevant. Your goals should align with your values and life aspirations. Ask yourself, why does this goal matter to me? 5. Time-bound. Set a deadline for reaching your goal. A time frame creates urgency and helps you stay motivated. Using the THESE method turns vague ambitions into concrete, actionable steps. Next, let's talk about different types of financial goals. These typically fall into 3 categories. 1. Short-term goals. These are goals you want to achieve within the next 12 months, such as building an emergency fund or paying off small debts. 2. Medium-term goals. These can take 1 to 5 years to achieve, like saving for a down payment on a house or a big vacation. 3. Long-term goals. These are your long-term aspirations, like saving for retirement, paying for your child's education, or building long-term wealth. By focusing on all 3 types of goals, you balance both immediate needs and future financial security. Once you've set your financial goals, it's important to break them down into smaller, actionable steps. Let's say you want to save $12,000 for an emergency fund over 2 years. That means saving $6,000 per year, or $500 per month. Breaking your goal into monthly or weekly targets makes it feel more achievable and less overwhelming. The key here is to 1. Determine the total amount, and the timeline for reaching it. 2. Divide it into manageable chunks, like monthly savings or debt payments. 3. Automate those transfers so it happens consistently without you having to think about it every month. By taking small, consistent steps, you'll reach even the biggest goals. Achieving financial goals isn't a set-it-and-forget-it task. Accountability and tracking progress are essential. Here's how to stay on track. 1. Write down your goals. Studies show that writing your goals increases the likelihood of achieving them. Keep them somewhere visible, like on your phone or in a journal. 2. Track progress. Regularly check in on your progress, whether it's saving toward a big purchase or paying down debt. Monthly reviews can help you adjust your budget if needed. Reward yourself. Celebrate small wins along the way to keep your motivation up. Life happens, and sometimes you may need to adjust your financial goals. Flexibility is key. Here are a few examples of when you might need to make changes. Unexpected expenses. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes emergencies will force you to adjust your goals temporarily. Income changes. If you receive a raise, you can accelerate savings, but if your income decreases, you may need to scale back. The important thing is not to give up. Adjust your timeline or the amount you save, but stay committed to the goal. To make the process easier, there are several tools you can use to stay on track. 1. Budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB help you track income, expenses, and savings toward your goals. 2. Savings calculators allow you to set targets and figure out how much you need to save each month to hit your deadlines. Third, goal-setting apps like Strides or Habitable can help you set reminders and track your progress. In conclusion, setting financial goals gives you a clear roadmap to manage your money more effectively. By following the SMART method, breaking your goals into actionable steps, and staying accountable, you can achieve even the most ambitious financial dreams. Hope these strategies boost success. Thank you.